Hi everyone. I thought I would do an introduction for our week 3. As a reminder, if you go to your My Grades link, you can go in and check feedback on your assignments. It's very important that you all do this so that you know why you are missing points on certain things and you can avoid missing those points in the future. There was some confusion on last week's assignment. If you go into course content and your Module 1 folder and scroll down, it gives you very specific instructions of what you need to do. And it looks like that some of us misread or maybe didn't see that the character diagram assignment was supposed to be over Mrs. Mallard, and many students wrote that assignment on Eveline instead. Well, the example shows you Eveline just because I didn't want to put words in your mouth. So this is one of the most important assignments as we get started into the literary analysis process, because it really shows you how to develop your paragraphs and to make sure that you have enough of your own voice in with the commentary on your stories. So if you missed points on that, make sure you go in and check and see why. It's a 3-part kind of thing that you do in each box there. So the idea was that you would state a claim and then provide evidence in the form of a quote or paraphrase. And then that last part that is extremely important is your commentary. And what that does is it connects your claim and your evidence together for your reader. For example, you know, if I told you that Eveline was a weak character because at the end of the story, and my text evidence is, she grips the iron rails. And my commentary then, or my interpretation of that, would be that she is gripping onto the iron rails because she is fearful of change, and that means that she is a weak character. Now, if I don't add that commentary, someone could use the exact same piece of evidence to try to prove the opposite. I could say that the connotation of the word grip shows strength, and that it's, you know, it doesn't say that she caressed the iron rail. That would be something soft, you know, but it says grip, which is a hard sound, and so it shows her strength. So that 3-part is incredibly important: your claim, the evidence, and your commentary, the interpretation, or where you connect the dots. So make sure that you look at that very closely before you move on into developing your literary analysis. Now, if you scroll down to week 3, you will see there are some things that you need to be working on. And as you scroll down, as a reminder, the due dates for those will be highlighted in yellow. And then the supplements you will find here to be very important for your developing and understanding for the literary analysis, which is going to be coming in more detail next week. And then I'm going to start grading the first journal this week, now that you guys have turned them in last night. So be watching for feedback on that, because we will do a total of 4 different journals on the short stories that we read. That's the way we'll wrap up this unit and then write a formal essay on one of those stories. So more to come on that next week. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Good luck.